Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Thank you to everyone who voted on the poll I posted on my community tab. I was curious if you guys wanted to see Boxycharm base box or Boxycharm premium in one video or in two videos, and it seems like the vast majority of you want to see them in both videos, so that is what we're doing today. I feel like I just phrased that wrong. We're going to be opening up both the Boxycharm base box and the Boxycharm premium box for May in this video, so thank you. For those that are new here, hi, welcome, and everyone that's been around, welcome back, love ya. I'm Kitty for those that are new. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so if you love them too, if you like unboxings, if you like my style, I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around, so I will see you in the next one. So back to Boxy. I will link them down below. Beauty subscription boxes. We all know about Boxy by now likely, but yeah, one of them is like $28 a month, the other is like $38. I know I always forget this, but again, it will be linked down below. I pay for these myself, so it's a referral link. Everyone who subscribes to Boxy has a link they can share with their friends and family, and if anyone uses it, then you get some credit. They call it charms to spend in their charm shop. So thank you to anyone in advance who uses my link. So I did glance at these the other day, but I was kind of in like a meh, blah type mood and I wasn't impressed. And I'm feeling a little bit better today, and I kind of like can't really remember, like nothing was remarkable that stood out. But let's get unboxing and see. Let's start with the base box. So, I don't know, I'm sure they all look the same. And here is a sneak peek. So I guess the theme this month is Super Bloom. So you get 5 items in the base box, all full size, for all of the Boxycharm boxes. And let's see, they used to tell you what like variation it is. I don't know, C22050009BA base box, but I like to think badass. But they'll give a little description of the items along with the pricing. So let's start from biggest to smallest item in here. That's what I feel like doing. This is by Glow Oasis. I'm not sure I've tried this brand. Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Made with vegan probiotics and prickly pear extract. Milk Dew. I do like dewy skin. It says do your skin a favor. DW. 2-in-1 toner and moisturizer that softens and nourishes with a unique, lightweight, milky texture that leaves behind a dewy finish. Nice. I actually almost ran out of moisturizer. Like, I've been giving away like so much of my stuff. I like ran out of one the other day. I was like, oh my god, do I not have any? But I was able to find one. So let me know if you guys have tried this, what you think. Where is this on here? $34. Glow Oasis. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the first time. Okay, what's next? What's the next biggest thing? Cab Beauty Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo. I actually like the sound of that. And I like how it looks. Lemon and lime. So we get 2 lip glosses in here. Yes. This will probably end up being like my favorite things. We have a lemon and a lime. Gotta see if it smells. I use stuff like this all the time. Yeah, this one does smell like lemon. It smells like, they smell pretty similar, but now when I think about it, lemon and lime kind of smell similar anyways, but I think that's a really cute idea, and things like this actually go kind of quick. Like, because I actually have, I don't know why I'm pointing my lips now, I don't have it on now, but I use it all the time. I put on this morning a lip thing like this, lip gloss by Persona Cosmetics that I got in a past Boxycharm that I love, and I'm almost done with that, so this actually might be my favorite thing, at least so far. And these look like they're just like clear, and it's a $39 value. 2 new shades. Yeah, it's like they're probably just pretty much clear. I doubt it makes your lips look green. Let me know down below. I don't want to swatch it on my hands because lip gloss swatches are sticky, and I don't know if I might share one with family or something. But next up, the next biggest item in the box, Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter Hydra Micro Capsule. A unique serum with rare gold hibiscus extract. Gold hibiscus? So this acts as a makeup base and smooths and evens your skin tone while helping provide brightening and anti-aging benefits. So again, a brand maybe I've tried, I don't know. But if you guys have tried this item or any of the items, please leave a little mini review or just a thumbs up, thumbs down about the items so we can know. But let's keep going. We have 2 things left. Ooh, this sounds like something I might love and might actually have already though. No, I think I have a highlight in this line. It's by Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint in Papaya. I liked their Dewy Balm, like stick I had at some point, and I have like a highlight. Let's see what this looks like. I love like cream products in general. This is F it. Let's do a swatch. I'm trying not to keep as much for myself. Okay, there it is, and then ooh, let's see how. I'm just gonna rub it all over my whole entire hand. So a little bit would go a long way. Ooh. When you, oh, it smells good too. Oh my God, it smells so good. I like want to eat it, but that's obviously not happening. So it looks dark at first, right? It definitely has pigment, but a little bit goes a long way. I just put a little drop and that was like covered my whole hand. Dewy with the light tint of papaya. Ooh, I like this. So obviously I'm keeping this one for myself. So this is $22. Wow. It smells so good. Yeah, it's ultra lightweight. I would agree with that. Yeah, I'll use it for sure. I think that would work good on my skin tone. But let's move on. The last thing in the box, the smallest thing. Oops. Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. Oh, I just got an eyeshadow primer. I think it was my Ipsy though. So this is an eyelid primer formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. So I'll probably pass this one on. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think again if you've tried this, because I have one open now, and then I just got another eyeshadow primer. They kind of last a long time, don't they? But I do use eyeshadow primers, so cool. So that was everything in the base box. The lip gloss and duo and this like cheek tint blush thing are definitely my favorite items of the base box. Let me know what you guys got in yours and what you think. Now let's move on to my premium. I took out like the paper that comes inside it already. So here is a little glance inside. Oh, and by the way, Choice is open for June. It's going to be a Boxy Luxe month. I just did mine, and I was just like, meh, you know. So in the premium, you get like 6 to 8 products. Let's see, we have 2, 4, yeah, there's 6 in here. Let's keep it going. Big to small. Biggest thing is actually pretty big. What is this? Base Blue, Day, Night. Look, it's a Day and Night. What is this? Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Ooh. So they're individually wrapped face cleansing wipes. There's 20 count. There's Day and Night. So Day Beauty Cleansing Wipes so they're water activating, gentle to use in sensitive skin, remove excess oil and refresh the skin. And then the Night Makeup Removing Wipe effectively removes makeup, dirt, and oil. So are there like 10 of each? Interesting. I kind of want to. Gotta get this open. If I can. Why is like the plastic around boxes so hard to get off sometimes? Ugh. Okay, if I can't get one, I'll grab a pen. Okay, pen. I am a lazy girl, I admit it. Sometimes I just don't feel like washing my face at night. So this actually sounds like a cool idea to me. So how does this work? That would just like slide open though. Why am I having trouble? Oh, okay, yeah. So there is, it looks like 10 of each. So you can just like put this in your bathroom and it's easy to store underneath the sink and you can just grab, like tell which color. I'm definitely actually excited about this because like I said, sometimes it just seems so hard to wash my face and like, and in the morning, sometimes I just don't. I just do it like once a day, like after I go on a walk I will or something, but okay, I actually think that's cool. And I like how it's different colors and convenient to store. So far so good in the premium. What's the next biggest thing? I think this would be, we have a set of brushes. It comes in a bag too, which is nice. Who is this by? Serviced by C. Looks like we have 3 brushes in here. By LaRouche. Oh, this is probably like really expensive. Let's see. Yeah, this is, why did I say service? Is it, oh, it's a Serviced by limited edition pouch. 3-piece contour brush set by LaRouche Beauty. $50. Yeah, their brushes are always expensive. I mean, I don't have any complaints about their brushes, but that's a lot of money. So actually this is nice that we have one for your eye, and I like the pink bristles. And then, so let's say what the name of it is. Angled shading brush, a contour blending brush, and then a flat angle brush. So I think they're cute. I like that it comes in a bag. I told myself I have to wash my brushes. I'm at that point again where I'm like running out of brushes and I have to clean like all 300 of them, which is ridiculous. So I'm gonna try not to use these and give these to one of you guys. If you guys don't know, if you're new around here, I pick a random winner. Last one there's 2. Hey, Emmy, say hi. I have the cutest calico baby in the world. And one of you guys has a twin. Oh my god, I was just talking to someone on Instagram and their cat is like Emmy's identical twin. It's so cute. But I have a giveaway every month where I pick a random subscriber and send a bag full of stuff. So that's why when I say things I go give to you guys, that's what I mean. But okay, cool. I like the variety of them. I like that there's an eye brush and like 2 face brushes. Ooh, the next thing, wait, that's not the biggest. What will be the next biggest? I think this would be the biggest. I mean, what are you chewing on over there? Our Evrani Balance Restoring Serum, tea tree oil, chamomile flower, and cucumber extract. For centuries. I don't know why I'm talking. The more I open, the more good mood I'm getting, so that's good. For centuries, tea tree leaves have been used in India to treat cuts and wounds. Legends describe tea tree-surrounded lagoons where fallen trees create natural skin healing baths. That's true, I do like tea tree, just don't put it on your, I don't know why people would put essential oils on animals or cats, but definitely this is one you don't put on your cats, okay? Okay. Right, Emmy? Nope, tea tree oil is not good for you. But it is good for acne and cuts and stuff like that. Just keep it away from your little ones. A little PSA of the day. So it's a toning polish. Minimizes the appearance of pores. That sounds nice. Reinstates natural moisture barrier and helps calm the skin. It has witch hazel in it too, so that's good. I randomly have this like huge set, well actually like 2 right here. I'm like, I wonder what it's from. Like I normally get acne around like the hormonal areas and like your mouth, like where you eat, like drool, whatever gross stuff, you know, like it makes sense. I'm like, I wonder what if I was like touching my head. I don't know, but I could use, like, I don't know. Sometimes I kind of like when I get acne the older, because I just had a birthday and I'm like, you know, I'm like, keeps me young. That's, I'm trying to be a more positive person, so whenever I get like a big pimple or something, I'm like, it makes me look younger. It's all good. But let's move on to the next thing. What one's big? This, okay, yeah, let's go with this. So Cover FX. I've heard great things about this. I've never tried it. So I think this is the primer by them that's well known. The gripping primer, like it grips your foundation. So I'm actually excited to try this. I've been using the primer I got in my Ipsy, like one that's like supposed to make your skin more glowy. Not like I need any help because I'm like, when I walk outside, I like come inside with like a sweat glow. But I'm all about like dewy looks. So let's see. But this one's like, you know, since it's getting even hotter here in Florida, like it's already in the 90s every day, like low 90s. It's just gonna get hotter. If this can like make your foundation stay, like what does it say? It's a unique jelly texture. Ooh. It creates a glass-like finish on the skin and grips makeup for flawless application and long wear. So yeah, if this could work like keeping my foundation or like my tinted moisturizer on my face. No, you guys, I've been using the ABH foundation I got in the past Boxy every single day. So that's a foundation. It's not even a tinted moisturizer, and I love it. So I'm gonna put it to the test with this. Let me know your thoughts. I know at least some of you have tried this one because it's been talked about for a while now, I believe. Yeah. Smoother looking complexion and improved makeup wear. That's what I want to hear about, the improved makeup wear. And this is $38. Sorry, I haven't been seeing the price of everything, but if you guys care, just ask. So we have 2 things left. And this one is what I wanted to show you before. And I was like, ooh, it's Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. Hi, Emmy. This is $50. Elemis is expensive. I feel like we've been getting a lot of Elemis because I've said that like at least once this week or last week, that they're expensive, but I like them, and I love getting them in subscription boxes because this is like more than the price of the box, and you know, so that's like if I like this, it like pays for everything. So that subscription boxes are great for that. I've also said recently, which is like since I've been in the subscription box world, like paying full price for like a skincare item would like I just can't imagine ever doing that again in my life. But what's this do? So here's what it looks like. Superfood. It's a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream. It leaves skin dry, or it leaves dry skin that's really thirsty, feeling silky, soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon awakening. Okay, nice. So what's in this? We have camu, banana. I thought it was a banana flavor. I'm like, what? Banana flour and cacao nib extract. I love saying cacao. Emmy, cacao. You hear me say that all the time. Cacao and a frozen banana mixed together. Amazing. But cool. I'm actually excited about this. I don't know why I said actually, but I am excited about this. And then last but not least, but the smallest thing in the box is by KVD Beauty, right? Yeah, KVD Vegan Beauty lip gloss. Oh, I like gloss in the shade Petunia. Something's really cute about that. Let's look at it. Don't do gloss? Neither did we until now. It's a high pigmented, high performance gloss. Ooh, it looks really pretty too. You know, I'm keeping this one too. It was my birthday. I don't know why. I'm in this mindset. I just don't want to even keep it. I just want to give everything away. But this looks like it'd be really pretty, and I opened it. Let's see. I put like on a red lipstick today, so I can't put on. Oh yeah, this looks beautiful. I actually really have liked all the makeup I've tried from this brand, and it's no longer associated with that person. So, ooh, it smells really good. I haven't like smelled a good smell in lip gloss. It smells like a cupcake. Oh my god, I ate almost a full cake the other day. I had to throw out the remainder of it. My aunt, thank you, if you're watching, got me a 4-layer like rainbow cake. 4-layer cake, and I ate almost all of it in a day and a half. I was like, I can't have any more. But it smells like it. It was so good. Thank you if you're watching. And thank you to my mom who got me this amazing cupcakes from Small Cakery, or it's something like that, but it's like a cupcakery place, and it was so amazing. Oh my gosh. Now I can just wear this and fantasize about cupcakes and cake. But that was everything, you guys. And you know what? My blah mood the other day did make me more pessimistic about the items. And now that I'm feeling better, the more I look at all this, the more I open it, the more I smell and then touch it, the more I like it. So that is everything I got. Overall, I'm feeling good about it. What do you guys think? What'd you get in your Boxy? What'd you choose today? Or go choose now if you forgot. I usually forget, but I saw it in an email, and I'm like, I happened to film it today. So, yeah, let me know. I love you guys. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you.